Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am doing a makeup tutorial plus get ready with me. Basically, not a get ready with me, but what? Okay, I'm gonna let you see. Hold on.
I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me, but I couldn't do it all alone.
Alright, now let's jumping right into the video, and we are doing this ponytail. So this is from Nadula hair. I just got my teeth filled, so she numbed me a little bit, so if I talk weird, then that's why. Anyways, what my mom is doing is basically sewing this ponytail, attaching it so that she can keep rolling it up. And what she's gonna do is roll it up and attach it and sew it as she goes up, y'all. So that's all you're gonna do. Is that I have a video on this anyways, a ponytail, an extended ponytail. So if you want to see that, then I will leave it somewhere above this video. I'm so bad with that, but y'all, yes, that's what she's gonna do. And all she's gonna do is basically wrap the extra hair around to cover the track, and she is going to flat iron it. So easy. Slick your hair up, do the extended ponytail, wrap the hair around, and baby, you ready to go. And then after that, it is time to jump right into this makeup tutorial. Did my brows. What I put on my brows was Ebony from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm trying to do this like gradient effect with my brows now. So where I outline my brows with Kiss Professional Top Brow in the shade Deep Dark Brown, and then I filament on the tail with Ebony to make it a little dark, and then in the front I go in with chocolate. So it's a lot of products, and then I just added P.louise base in shade number 5 on my lids. So now we're about to get into the shadow, because I know y'all want to see that. I'm not going to talk through the video and explain what I do with my shadow, because I want the video to be like written, because y'all say my videos be too long. So first shadow that I'm going to go in with is Savannah Desert, and I'm going to take my 167 brush from Morphe on first, and then I'm going to go in like with some reds and orange, and then I'm going to do black. I'm gonna go in with Bloody Mary. This red right here. So this is from Suva Beauty, and then I think I'm gonna mix it in with a little bit of burgundy from the Center Stage palette. Go back in with that brown, y'all, and I'm just going to fade that up towards the red. I take Suva's Beauties. So it's like, this stuff is like leaking. Papya. Hey, Dixon Downs.
Hey, Downs and Dix.
Take my Urban Decay. That's the Gwen Stefani palette. I'm going to take the shade Blackout right here. About to take a Jlarure pigment in white gold. Let's add Papya on the lid. Next shade that I'm about to add is the red that we use. Is this orange shade. Well, not this orange shade. I'm gonna add this burgundy shade right here and then black. Add this liner. Apply this and I'll meet you right back. I'm going to apply this Touch Up primer. It is so smooth, y'all, so silky smooth. Sorry about my one nail, because if anybody comes on here and say anything about my one nail, I'm just gonna block y'all. So I'm about to take my Touch Up primer and I'm going to apply it. So this is the line that you're supposed to stop at when you use this Touch Up primer. So that's how much you're supposed to use, because you're supposed to stop at that line. Do is I'm going to take the full line of Jouer foundation and concealer. And I am going to take these two sample sizes. So Makeup by Tiffany. Yeah, Makeup Tiffany J sent me her PR packages. I mean, not PR packages, but the PR package that she had. She had these foundations in the PR package. So she's light skinned and I'm dark skinned. She just sent me the darkest shades and also the darkest shades of concealer. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to just take our Instapot foundation brush and we're going to take that combination. I take my concealers, my two Jouer concealers, Amber and Ginger, together. I had the highlighter with a 501 brush from Dose of Colors, the Desi times Katy collection. It's like my favorite highlighter at the moment, y'all. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. I am going to grab this one in the middle. I like that one. It's so pretty. Juvia's Place. You can use my code BMarie. Got the microphone, but anyways, I went in with Zulu liquid lipstick from Juvia's Place, and then I went in with this no name So don't forget to go check the description right below and tell me what you guys think about this tutorial. Did you like it? I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. All the links and stuff will be down in the description right below. Products that I used to create this look. So I hope that you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.